Bismillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri yassir li amri wahlul. So this is page 2.3. Page 2.3. So the same answer. I think D. Did you write the word for word meaning of one line of Quran lesson?
Next time.
Shaa Allah. Okay. So 2A. We have done it many times. So let's just skip this one. Page second, 4-pointer. Now page 1. We have done these 4 pointers. So this is page second, 4-pointer. First pointer is no guidance for kafirin, no guidance for munafiqeen, and corrupt and fools, and the last double-faced. So this is no guidance for kafirin, no guidance for munafiqeen, corrupt and fools, double-faced. Pointer in brief, second page. Kafirin, munafiqeen, corrupt, double-faced. Introduction. First pointer, no guidance for kafirin. Link with previous verse. In previous verses, Allah talked about muttaqeen who are eligible to receive guidance from Al-Qur'an. Now about those who will not receive guidance. This is a link. Kafirin won't get guidance. Result in dunya, Allah has set a seal upon their heart and hearings and a veil over their vision. Result in akhirah, great punishment. So no guidance for kafirin. Let's recite together. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
من الشيطان
من الشيطان
No,
الرجيم.
hit the noon. من الشيطان.
من الشيطان الرجيم.
من رجي.
من الشيطان من رجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان من رجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
إن الذين كفروا
إن الذين كفروا
سواء عليهم
سواء عليهم
أأنذرتهم
أنذرتهم
أم لم تنذرهم
أم لم تنذرهم
لا يؤمنون.
لا يؤمنون.
ختم الله على قلوبهم.
ختم الله على
ختم
قلوبهم.
الله لام الله بالبهن.
ختم الله على
You know the rule of lam of Allah. Just listen to me. If there is dhamma or fatha before lam of Allah and the exalted name of Allah, I mean Allahumma, lam of Allahumma and Allah. If there is fatha or dhamma before it, it will be heavy. And if there is kasra before it, it will be light. So in this ayah, there is fatha before lam of Allah. This one, on mim. So on the previous letter, there is fatha. So that's why it is heavy. ختم الله
ختم الله
على قلوبهم
على قلوبهم
وعلى سمعهم
وعلى سمعهم
وعلى أبصارهم غشاوة
وعلى أبصارهم غشاوة
ولهم عذاب عظيم.
ولهم عذاب
This
عظيم.
is just soft letter. عذاب, zal is soft. عذاب and dha is heavy. عظيم.
ولهم عذاب عظيم.
La.
وَلَهُمْ
عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ.
وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ عَجِيمٌ.
Not ajim, this is law, heavy, mouthful. عظيم.
عَظِيمٌ.
That's it.
وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ عَجِيمٌ.
Yes, that's it. So, how easy the Quran is? You have to learn only, and to learn them easily, we will use phrases, inshallah. So there are two main challenges to learn the Quran, vocab and grammar. Pointers and phrases help you learn vocabulary. You remember, pointers and phrases help you to learn vocabulary. Yes. TPI helps you learn the grammar in part. Okay, so word for word and PFP, translation and explanation. You know, word for word meaning, WFW, and P for P, phrase for phrase. So every line has 3 new words. Approximately, you may see around 3 phrases per line. For learning the 3 new words, phrases are shown in shadow. It is easier to remember the meaning of new words using phrases. Let's start. Innal ladina kafaru. Innal ladina kafaru. All the words you have learned before, mashallah. Indeed. Inna, indeed. Alladina, those who. Kafaru, disbelieved.
Disbelieved.
Yeah. Innal ladina kafaru. Those, indeed, those who disbelieve. Sabaun. It is all the same. Sabaun. It is all the same. Alayhim, for them. Alayhim, for them. A'anzartahum. A'anzartahum. Whether you warn them. Whether you warn, sorry. You warn them. A'anzartahum. Whether you warn them. Read it with me. Read with me. Read with me. Am lam tundirhum.
Anjartahum. Whether you warn them. Am lam tunjirahum.
Or do not warn them.
Or do not warn them.
La yu'minun, they will not believe.
La yu'minuna, they will not believe.
Yeah, la means not or no.
La.
And you know, yu'minuna means they will believe. They will believe. They believes or no, so they believe and they will believe. Because this is mudari. Yu'minuna is mudari.
This one, they will not.
No, not this one. This is this one.
Oh.
Yu'minuna. Yes. Mudari. Then there is la. So inna alladhina kafaru sawa'un alayhim a'andartahum. You know, sawa'un means it is all the same. Sawa'un means yes, same. All are the same.
All the same.
So, yeah, according to the ayah, the verse, it is all the same. Alayhim, for them. You remember alayhi, alayhim. Andartahum. Means whether. Andarta, you warned. Hum, them. Hum. Kitabuhum. Yes.
Them.
Lam tundirum. Means or. Means or.
Or.
Yes. Lam means did not. Lam means did not. Yes. Tundir means you warn. Hum means them. So, or do not warn them.
Or lam did not tunjura, you warn whom them. La
yu'minun, they will not believe. They will not believe. Kafaru, to whom truth was presented and they rejected it. Kafaru, to whom truth was presented and they rejected it. Why? Because of arrogance or doubting it and turning away from it. This ayah is addressed to the Prophet ﷺ, who did his best to invite the people of Makkah. Can't have a better da'i than the Prophet ﷺ, and still they did not listen. So Sawaun, translate Sawaun. Sawaun. A, better. B, it is all the same. C, equal. D, correct. Which option you gonna choose?
سواء. It is all
MashaAllah.
the
Very good. So B is correct. Very good. أأنذرتهم. Translate A, whether you warn him, whether we warn them, and whether you warn them, and whether I warn them. So أأنذرتهم. This is. Now you have to choose one.
أنذرتهم whether you want them.
Perfect, mashallah. So that is C.
Whether.
Perfect. Truth was rejected due to select more than one. Their arrogance, their turning away from it, their doubt, disease in their heart. Yes.
There. Is it select there?
You can choose 2, 3, 4, or 1 or 2.
Okay. They are ignorant, they are torn it away, they are double. This is this. Okay. They is number A.
Good, mashallah. Yes. Next. Then
D
B. Okay, then
and D.
D or C?
Oh, they are double. D is C. A,
This
B,
is
C.
their doubt. This is their doubt.
Doubt, yes.
And now let me see. You know, all are the correct. A, B, C, D. Yes, all are the correct. Three out of 4 you have learned, and one more is mentioned. في قلوبهم مرض. So this is in their heart. Yes. 4, because due to all these 4 times. And 4 attributes like bad mentioned here. Khatam Allah. Now you're gonna learn 4th, because there was a disease. There were many diseases in their heart also. So Khatam Allahu ala qulubihim. Allah has set a seal. Khatam Allahu ala qulubihim. Allah has set a seal on their hearts. Ala on qulub, hearts, him there. وَعَلَى سَمْعِهِمْ, and on their hearing. Some. وَعَلَى أَبْصَارِهِمْ, and over their vision. غِشَاوَةٌ is a veil. وَلَهُمْ, and for them, عَذَابٌ عَظِيم is a great punishment. Khatam Allah, Khatama has set a seal. Khatama fi'l madi, yakhtimu is mudari'. So Khatama yakhtimu comes on the pattern of daraba yadribu. You will know it, inshallah. Yes, soon you will know. Ala means on qulub, their heart, in their heart. Wa ala sami'im, and on hearing there. Wa ala absarihim. Wa and ala meaning over. Just here. Sometime on, sometime over. And sometime upon. Absar. Absar means vision. Him there. Ghishavatun is a veil. So veil, yes. So just remember that they cannot see. So what is on their eyes? Walahum, wa and lahum, for them, adabun, punishment, azim, great punishment. So qulubihim, khatamallahu ala qulubihim wa ala sam'ihim. Muslims, taqwa in their hearts, and kufr, seal on their hearts. Munafiq, disease in their hearts.
And their heart.
No. There are Muslims, Kafirs, and Munafiqin. Three type of people, three type of Jama'ah, and three type of they are many in crowd. Muslims, Kafir, Kuffar, and Munafiq. So Muslims, taqwa in their heart, and seal on their hearts, those are Kuffar, and disease in their hearts, those are Munafiqin. Okay, so as a result of their disbelief, punishment in this world, sealing of their heart and hearing veil on their eye. They cannot see, hear, or take lessons from the signs of Allah. Yeah, signs, ayat, signs. Punishment in the hereafter, severe punishment. So many severe punishment, many punishment, like ala qulubihim. Now you have to translate ala qulubihim, on your hearts, on our hearts, on their hearts, on their hearts. So which one is correct?
On your heart, on their heart.
Atamallahu ala qulubihim.
On their heart.
On their heart.
Yes. D. So their heart, on their heart is D.
That is D, mashallah.
Yeah.
Mashallah, what a good student I have. All the answers are just great. So
Yeah.
now translate Ghishawa. A, B, C, D.
Is our a well, the well is a well.
Mashallah. Result of this belief. Result of disbelief. The sealing of heart, a veil over eyes, peaceful environment, the sealing of hearing. You can select 2, 3.
It's a D.
Just one. You have option to select more than one.
I can go. Okay, I can go a D.
Yeah, you can go for
okay.
else.
A. Can go A, B. A, B, D.
Mashallah. That's perfect.
Oh.
Okay, Kafirin won't get. Select one more than one, get guidance, enter the paradise, get success, get food. Yes.
Guiding. Enter the paradise, get success, get food. Modern, okay, A, and enter the paradise, B.
And
C, guide, succeed.
Appreciate it. Mashallah.
Succeed, enter in the.
So all are perfect. Mashallah. I am proud.
Yes, guide.
I'm feeling proud to have you.
Yeah.
All the answers just perfect. Yeah, innal ladina kafaru salamun alayhim. Indeed, those who disbelieve, it is same to them whether you warn them or do not warn them. They will not believe. 7. Allah has set a seal on their hearts and on their hearing and on their reason is a veil, and for them is a great punishment. Lessons, dua, and plan. Kafirin won't get guidance. Yes, result in dunya, Allah has set a seal upon their hearts and hearing and will for their reason. The result in akhirah, great punishment. O Allah, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to say the following prayer. Allahumma inni, say it with me. Allahumma inni.
Allahumma inni. Allahumma
A'udhu bika.
A'udhu bika.
Min al-kufri.
Min al-kufri.
Wal-faqri.
Wal-faqri.
Wa'adhab al-qabr.
Wa'adhab al-qabr.
O Allah.
O Allah.
Inni a'udhu bika, I seek refuge.
Inni a'udhu bika, I seek refuge.
Bika, with you.
With you.
Min al-kufr, from kufr. Wal-faqr, poverty. Wa'adhab al-qabr, and the torment of the grave. And the torment of the grave.
Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-kufr.
So plan a simple plan, inshallah, inshallah. I will listen to the truth, even if it hurts me, or even if it is from my assistant or a beggar. Asma and af'al. Now, next lesson. Asma, ism, qalb, and the plural is qulub. Qalb, the plural is qulub.
Qulub.
Yeah, basarun, basarun, and the plural is absar. Basar.
Basaru absar.
Yes. And now this is kafara, 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 bab nasara. The pattern is nasara. And kafara is repeated in the Mus'haf 461 times. So let's do a short TPI. Kafara.
Kafara.
Yakfuru.
Yakfuru.
Ukfur.
Ukfur.
Kafir.
Kafir.
Makfur.
Makfur.
Kufr.
Kufr.
Now khatama yakhtimu. This is this verb comes on the pattern of daraba yadribu, and it came in the Mus'haf. It occurs in the Mus'haf 6 times. So khatama.
Khatama.
Yakhtimu.
Yakhtimu.
Ikhtim.
Ikhtim.
Khatim.
Khatim.
Makhtum.
Maktum.
Khat.
Khat.
Now fi'l mudari of kafaru is fi'l mudari. Kafaru is madi. Now fi'l mudari. Which one? Takfuruna, yakfuruna, or yakfur? Select one. Quickly.
Yakfaru. Yakfuru. Yakfuru. Yakfuruna.
MashaAllah. The C is correct. Perfect. Fi'l madi of nakhtimu is khatamtu, khatama, yakhtimu, or khatamna. Nakhtimu.
Khatamtu. Khatama. Yaktimu. Khatam. Khatamna.
I appreciate it.
Khatam.
MashaAllah, sir. D is perfect answer. Perfect answer. Subhanallah. Plural of basarun. Basarun is singular, wahid. So which one is the plural? Basarun, basarat, absar, absarun.
Oh. Basara. Basar. Basar. Absar. Absar.
Absar, okay, C. Perfect.
Absar.
So 7 types of homework, you remember? 2 on tilawa, 2 on history, listen to recording, talk about the course, recite different surah and salah, and also be a teacher for yourself, for the people, for the other people, and for the colleagues. So let's say, may Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran.
the Quran.
Ya Rabb. سبحانك اللهم بحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.
نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.